How to fix your account is no longer eligible for live problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. As you're having this issue, it may be because you're not eligible, as you will need 1,000 followers or more to go live. And if you have 1,000 followers and it still does not work, go to your profile and click on 3 lines at the top right. In here, scroll down and click on Account Privacy. In here, turn off Private Account. Make sure white dot is on the left side. Click on Switch to Public at the bottom. After that, your account will be public, as you will also need a public account to go live. After that, you can simply go live. And this is how to fix if your account is no longer eligible for live problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.